Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change theme in any Samsung phone. If you are using any Samsung phone and now you want to change your phone's theme, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to look for themes app in your phone. Once you have that, just open the app and here you'll get different themes. You just have to select anyone which you want to set as your own. As here, let's say I'm going to select this one. Just tap on it, then tap on download option and it will start it downloading. So you just have to wait for it until it's being downloaded. When download has been completed, just tap on apply and then it will start it applying theme. Just wait for that. So in this way you can easily change theme of your any Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.